Welcome back, dear student, to class. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the previous one we have looked at how you can switch blockchain network. You already know what a blockchain network is, which can either be like Mainnet or testnet. Mainnet costs money. Everything about it costs money and it's already public, everybody. That's where, when everything is ready with your smart contract, that's where you deploy it for people to have and all those things. But then during the process of developing, you always need access to something that will be free. That's why we have the test net. And when you talk on Solana, it is referred to as Devnet. So I think there's also a kind of a test net on Solana, but that is not actually what it means. It's not the same. I think that is more of for like core development on Solana to test some things out. But when you are building as a Web3 smart contract developer, dApp developer and things like that, you'll be dealing with the Devnet, and then you move it to Mainnet when you are ready to launch for public use, which will now cost real money. So we have already learned previously how to set up Solflare wallet, which you have other wallets as well. You can use like Phantom and other more in our Solana ecosystem. Also, MetaMask has introduced some things to use with even Solflare, yeah, like that. Maybe in future lesson, if there's need for it, I will discuss. But for now, let's just focus on this area where you can switch. How do you now switch in Solflare wallet from one Mainnet to Devnet? So once you have your wallet set up, like in the previous video we have set it up, you don't have any amount, is zero now. So presently this like a Mainnet, all you need to do is go straight to the settings, and here you have this. So here you have it. Choose between Mainnet or other network, so you can see it. So compared to when we are dealing with Ethereum and EVM blockchain, and you deal with testnets, which are like this, and Mainnet, it's not the same when you are dealing with Solana. The equivalent of the testnet here on Ethereum and EVM is what is known as Devnet. So I've told you the testnet on Ethereum is more of like core things, development or update they want to do to the mainnet. They usually test it first on the testnet. So not for like your normal day-to-day dApp development, smart contract development. So you want to go to the Devnet. And assets on Devnet have no value. This network is for developer testing purpose. You see it? So you click on it and connect it to Devnet. And when we come back, we are now on our Devnet, and you can use Facet. And Facet, I've discussed in the Ethereum MetaMask as well, is what gives you free token for that specific testnet or Devnet in case of Solana for free, because usually, look at it now, one so costs about $99. So if I want to develop on Mainnet, I will need to buy that if I need it, you understand. But now I can get it free on testnet, because you can't change it to a real money. So it's just a pure fake money for development. So you can pay, develop until you are sure you can move to Mainnet. So for that, I've used the Pre-Search, which is a Web3 decentralized search engine. You can give them a try. While using it as well, you steal some token as well. And if you like to use my affiliate link as well, you can reach out through the Discord or comment on the video or something on the lesson. Comment, which, you know, whenever you need support, you comment directly under the lesson, specific lesson, to get support. You can have you join our Discord as well to ask for support, but you are not sure I will respond. But the community are there, you can ask and get community support as well But once you get support directly from the author, like myself, then you had better use the specific lesson. Don't ask question that is for this lesson in this lesson to be deleted. So specific question related to that specific lesson. Now, once you have this, you have this Solana facet. If you know, compared to the Ethereum that was so difficult to get, you can easily get the facet here. Let's see. So you can see it. You don't need sign up and all this stuff. So you just copy your wallet, paste amount. So you can pick any of the amount you want. Let's try 5 and let's confirm. Because of some scam, they use this. Airdrop was successful. That's fast and cool. So if we refresh, we should see it here, but we didn't see it. You know why? We are on Mainnet. So, and you know that one require real money. So that's why you can always switch. You should always switch the network back to Devnet, and then when we are back, we see it. That's cool. You see, so say 5 so, then you can see it here as well. So you can send it just the normal between testing. If you send it to a wallet, the person will only see it as. Then you can start using this now to pay for fee, for gas fee, for transaction fee, for deploying smart contracts as we move on in your journey to become a pro Web3 smart contract developer. So I think that's the major. We have about 4 videos to do in this lesson, and this is the last one which I've done as well. So you can watch the other lesson video for Ethereum EVMs, MetaMask, and how to switch, and then for how to set up Solflare wallet as well. So I said you can also use other wallets as well, good, but this is the one I use personally based on the beginner friendly experience I have with them and other things. When you watch this video, there are a lot of other benefits I said why I use them. So that's it for this lesson. Need support, use the comment directly. I will see you in the next one. I remain Solomon Foske, the programming university, and always keep the programming spirit alive. Please do good to humanity and nature with your programming and your knowledge, and not evil, to make the world and the universe a better place for us all. See you. Peace.